Okay. So today we will study about the second chapter in Cambridge ADCSC Pure Mathematics 1. Yeah. So it is about function. Yeah. And for the first lessons, we will take a look at the definitions of functions. Yeah. So what I expect after these lessons, yeah, from the student today is first, all students are able to understand the terms function, yeah, domain, ring, and one function. Okay. So all students. So this I will evaluate here for every student. You need to understand what is function, domain, ring, and one function. And then the second one is I also expect my students, yeah, to be able to find the inverse of function and composition of the functions. Yeah, so we will see this in the second lesson. Yeah. All right. So let's firstly we uh, review, yeah, the functions. So in grade 10 in AGCSC books, yeah, you have already studied about the functions, how to interpret the functions, yeah, with inputs and outputs. And then you already learned how to find the compositions of functions, which is a simple one, and then the simple inverse functions. All right, so in real world, so maybe some of you may ask, yeah, why do we need to study about functions? So why function is important? Why we need to know about functions? Yeah, so you will realize it, yeah, that actually functions involving in many aspects in our life. Yeah, for example, there is we want to find the relationships, yeah, the temperatures of a hot drink as it cools over time. This is also function. And then the height of a valve on the bicycle tire as the bicycle travels along a horizontal route. So their relationship is also function. And then the depth of water in a conical containers as it is filled from a tap. And then the numbers of bacteria present after the start of the experiments. So maybe because now it is really happening right now, it's about the coronavirus. Some of the experts already predicted that this coronavirus will be growth as exponential growth, exponential functions. So the experts also have predicted the numbers of the coronavirus growth using these functions, yeah, using functions. So what we are going to study today is we want to know, yeah, the basic of the function itself, so that later on we can apply this, yeah, in our major in the futures, yeah. So first of all, let's figure out the definition of a function. Okay. Uh, so a function is the relation that uniquely associates members of one set with members of another set. Yeah. So this is a function. Yeah. When you were in 10th grade, maybe you know that firstly, when you studied about function, you studied about the relation, right? Relation, relations like this. Yeah. Okay. So when we are talking about relations, we need two individuals to be assessed. Yeah, for example, we have the input and we also have the output. Yeah, we have two. What do we call for these two items? Yeah, two things that we need to consider. Yeah, relation between something. So it needs not only one criteria, but we need minimal two criteria. Relation of what and what, right? Yeah, if you are in relationship means you are in with somebody. You are with in someone. You cannot be in relation only with yourself, right? Relation needs a partners. It is need a pair. Yeah, it is need more than one items. Yeah, and these relations, yeah, can when we have a specific relation we call as a function. functions. Yeah, so function is relation. Yeah, but not all relation is a function. You have to know about this. Yeah, so functions. Yeah, it is the uniquely associates member of one set with members of another set. Yeah, so which means we have firstly one set, one set of members like this. Yeah, and then we are going to associate, but this is uniquely. I mean, it is not just arbitrary relation. No, yeah, it has a specific, yeah, a specific that maps, yeah, the items here to here. Yeah, so let's say I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So like this, for example. So this mapping, yeah, this mapping, it is called function. Like this, yeah, this is function. Yeah, and later on, yeah, you will study that there are some types of functions. Yeah, so we have one function, and then we have many one function. Yeah, so we will discuss that in specific. Yeah, for example, when we have the relation like this. Yeah, so this is just a simple, yeah, a function. Yeah, but then we have another one like this. Yeah, function. So which one is a function? Then you you define. Yeah, so functions. So which of the following a function is a function. Yeah, which of the following is function? Okay, so this is the questions. Yeah, so I will give you some of relation, and then you need to find which one is the function. Yeah, and then this one. All right, so let's say A, B, C, D, E. Okay, right. So let me ask the students here, because I just want to review, yeah, your basic understanding, yeah, of the function. I will ask to Nabila Shakira. Nabila Shakira, look at number A. Is it a function or not?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Why it is a function, Nabila? How do you know that it is a function? Where is Nabila Shakira?
I don't know.
Okay. It is a function, yes, but you have to have the statements here. Why you call this a function? Okay, number B, I will ask to Talita Shakira. Talita, number B, is it a function? Talita,
Yes, Miss.
is it a function?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, so we will say yes. All right. Arifa, number C, is it a function? Arifa?
Yes, Miss. I think. Yes, maybe.
Yes, maybe. So I would just write what you have answered. Yeah, yes. Okay. So far, let me ask to Kalia. Kalia, can you please unmute your microphone?
Yes, Miss.
Alia, from A, B, and C, do you have any objections of your friend's answer?
Alia or Kalia, Miss?
Kalia.
I actually don't know, Miss.
Then,
For A, B, and C, right?
do you have any objection or you agree with your friends?
Agree.
Agree, okay. I will ask to, who else do we have here? Rizka Mabrura, do you have any objection?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, you have any objection?
Sorry, Miss.
Do you agree with your friend's answer for number A, B, and C?
For number A, B, yes, but C, I don't think so.
Why? Why you don't think so?
Because like they match each other and I think I don't miss.
Question. Okay. Right, let's continue for number D. Yeah. Number D. See, who is this? Previously, I was asking to. Wait. Nafifa. Nafifa for number D. Is it a function? So let's just finish this until number E. Yeah. Nafifa, is this not a function for number D?
I think no.
It is no. Okay. We will answer according to your answer. Yeah, I will write. Siti Nabila, number E.
Yes, Miss.
Is it a function? Number E?
Maybe yes.
Maybe yes. Okay. Let me ask to Fatima Cardelan. Fatima, you have given me the chat box, yeah? So we have 5 relationship here. 5 relation, yeah? Fatima, what do you think? Do you agree with your friend's answer?
For number the E1, I guess it was no.
So Fatima said it is no. Okay, then only this.
Yes.
Yes, okay. So Fatima said, yeah, it is a function because there is a relation, isn't it? Because there must be an input and output. Yes, we call that function because it is relation. Yes, because function is relation. Remember, function is relation. But look at this definition of function here. A function is a relation. Okay, function is a relation. Okay, but not all relations, yeah, function. Not all relations are function, not all, because function is uniquely associate members. So there is a specific relation of function. Okay, for example, yeah, the functions maps every, yeah, members, yeah, in the domain. So here is the input, yeah, we say input, this is output, yeah. So because this is function, so mapping, yeah, every entries or every member in A to exactly one member in B, exactly one in B. Look at this. Which one exactly one? This one, yes, exactly one, yeah, one. So every entry in A exactly one to entry to the members of B. Okay, this is exactly one, right? This is also one. What about this one? One entry in C map two, isn't it? And this is not a function. Yeah, it is not a function. Yeah, because the entry here, yeah, maps two element in B. Yeah, so we say element entry members. Yeah, so it is in the set. Yeah, in the set of B. Yeah, and then here this one. Is it a function? Yes, because every member in A, yeah, this is A, right? A, B, yeah, this is A, B, A, B. So now we give the names of the set, yeah. Every entry in A to B, even though it is not mapping, so it is okay. Yeah, it's satisfied to the definitions, yeah. So it is yes, a function, yeah. So this is wrong. It is a function, yeah. And then for number E, there is one entry in A does not mapping in B. So it is not a function. Yeah. To easily memorize whether it is a function or not, think about the birthday. Yeah. Everyone have the birthday. So let's say people, yeah, people. So we say function is the relation between a person and the birthday. Yeah, people's and their birthday. Every people's, yeah, everyone. Yeah, so we say every person. We don't say every people. Every person in this world. Yeah, since I don't know, since the beginning. Yeah, must have the birthday, isn't it? Is there anyone here who doesn't have the birthday? Is there? For example, Azahra, she doesn't have birthday. Will that be possible? No, right? So every people, every person must have the birthday. So this is function. So every entry in A, in domain. So we see here in this case, people is the domain. Yeah, have the birthday. The function is birthday. Yeah, right. So everyone have to be made to a certain date. Yeah, for the birthday, a certain date, month, and year. Okay. Then it is a function, right? The birthday. So number A satisfied. Yeah, because we can have two peoples. Yeah, have the same birthday. For examples, let me ask you: is there anyone here who born on the 3rd of the month? Is there? No one. Yeah. So you can have the same birthday with your friends. Yeah. There are some people who have the not some people. Yeah, people can have the same birthday. Okay. And therefore, two people can have the same birthday. Yes. But one person cannot have two birthdays. Understand? And therefore, number C is not a function. So, for example, so let me ask here, Arifa. Arifa have two birthday. Will that be possible? For Arifa to have two birthday, which means she was born 2 times. No, it's not possible. So that is not a function, number C. Yeah, one person have two birthday. That is not possible. Yeah, one person, two birthday is impossible. But two people have one birthday is possible. We can have the people who have the same birthday with us. Even the twins, for example, two people, but one birthday, right? And then this one, yeah. Yes, it is in this class, for example, I was asking, Is there anyone who was born on the 3rd of the month? So you say no. So it's possible. It is a function, the birthday. Yeah. In grade 11A, there is no one having the birthday on the 3rd of the month. Yeah. So there is no one. Okay. That is logic. However, if I say there is one student in the class 11A has no birthday, would that be possible? Are you a ghost or something? No, right? Because we are people, we must have the birthday. And therefore, number C is not a function. I hope with the analogy of the birthdays, yeah, with the someone's birthday, yeah, it can give you more understanding about the functions. Miss, what about A and C? They are just different in layout. A and C. Different. Siti Nabila, A and C different, yeah? Look at this. A, yeah, people have 2 birthday, okay. Yeah, let's say this one Arifa. This is Miss Ama. Arifa and Miss Ama may have the same birthday, okay. Yeah, we are celebrating. Yeah, me and my brothers, we have the same birthday. This is the truth, yeah. Yeah, I was born on the 3rd of December. My brother also was born on the 3rd of December. And normal, yeah, December 3rd. Yeah, me and my brothers have the same birthday, only different year because we are not twins. Different year, yeah. Only 1 year difference, exactly 1 year difference. So you imagine, and it is a normal, yeah, normal delivery, not operation, not session, but normal delivery. Yeah, we are the difference is exactly 1 year. Yeah, we are celebrating the same birthday. So it's possible, Miss Ama and her brother. Okay, it's possible. But for number C, here is indicate one person have 2 birthday, and it is impossible. How can one person born for 2 times, right? Okay, I hope it's understand, yeah. Siti Nabila, can you understand now? Give me your thumb ups. Okay, right. So
Miss,
that's yes. Okay, thank you very much for asking. Yeah.
Miss.
Yes.
So the A1 is wrong because that one dot doesn't have the pasangan.
Yes, because one person here doesn't have birthday. There is one person here, but she doesn't have birthday. Will that be possible? Of course not. Yeah, so we have to map this one as well. Yeah, but for number D, it is a function because in grade 11A, yeah, none of students born in the 3rd of December, right? Okay, so it's okay, no problem. But for this one, it is a different story. Yeah, look at this. Number D, number E, they have a different story. Likewise, for number A and number C, they also have a different story. Yeah, you see, the diagram is different, the meaning is also different. Okay, later on, for the first diagram here, we will say this as the input, and the second one is the output. And the relation that mapping from A to B, then we can figure out, is it a function or not a function? Okay, the relation between A and B, yeah, can define whether it is a function or it is not a function. Okay, so the function, another name for a function is mapping. Yeah, so I was saying this for many times, mapping. Yeah, maps from A to B. Yeah, so it just also can be called as mapping. Function can be either one or many one. Let me now explain. So now we have a narrower our understanding to this one. The function is A, B, and then D, right? A, B, and D. So now the function is can be divided into one and many one. For one is like number B, one. For every one members in A, there is exactly one member in B. Yeah. For many one, it is like number A. We can have 2 and 3 in A with this mapping with 1 and 3 in B. So this is many one. So let me explain to you with the diagrams here. We have the function of x plus 2. Yeah, x plus 2. So first, we're gonna see the input, okay, and then the output here, and the function is x plus 2. So this is the mathematical machine that will change the input into output. So we will begin with -1. If I input -1 to my mathematical machine, so it will give me the output of, what is the output? If I input -1 to this machine, it will give me 1, right? If I give 0, so it will give me 2, okay? If I give 1, then it will come 3, okay? If it is 2, 4. If it is 3, 5. Good. And therefore, yeah, if we are putting this into the diagram, so -1, yeah, it is 1. All right. So -1 with 1, right? So when it is -1 with 1. This one, right? Okay. So when it is 0, so it is 2. This is 2, right? 1, 2. This is 1, 2, right? When it is 1, it is 3. 1, 3. When it is 2, it is 4. So, and then it is like a straight line. If you're connecting all of the dot here, so it will be like a straight line. Like this one. Okay. So later on, yeah, we will say that every input here, there is exactly one output, only one output, -1 with 1, no others. 0 with 2, 1 with 3, and then 2 with 4, and then 3 with 5. Yeah. So no input here will give the same output. Yeah. No input here will give the same output. So this is what we call as 1-1 function. One output, one input, one output. Okay. All right. So now let's have a look at the second diagram. So if I am starting with -2, this is x squared, and this is output. If I'm starting with -2, so my output will be, quickly please. If I'm starting with -2, it will be 4. If it is -1, 1. If it is 0, 0. If it is 1, 4. If it is 0, 0, yeah. 1. If it is 2,
4.
4. Look at this. Sorry, yeah. It's fine. So if the input of -2 and 2, it has the same output, 4 and 4. And therefore it is called many 1. Yeah. So if I draw the diagrams, yeah, it will be like I have -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. So this is my first diagrams. And the second diagrams, I will have 0, 1, 4. So look at this. -2 with 4, -1 with 1, 0, 0, 1 with 1, 2 with 4. Okay, so this is many to 1. Yeah, many 1 function. Yeah, all right. Okay, students, it's a break time. So let's have the break times. So I will stop share and take attendance. Okay, see you after 10 minutes.